Hey guys, I'm back with another video here. Today I'm actually doing a Minecraft Xbox 360 edition video. I am in creative mode since I got the update, and I put a bunch of TNT on a mountain. So I'm going to show you just huge explosion. Probably, I'm guessing maybe 100 blocks of TNT or something. So let's see what we get. Okay, so this is the mountain, all the TNT on it. Give you a little just view of around the mountain. I mean, there's a lot of TNT here. This is why I love creative mode. Okay. Right here. Good thing about creative mode, there's no health, so you can't die. Okay. Let's get ready to light this. Switch to my flint and steel. And aerial view. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. It's still going. That was awesome. See if everything blew up. Wow. Well, looks like I got everything. Yep, I got everything. Now, that is just amazing. So, I'm probably going to be doing a bigger explosion here. Maybe a little bit. Or, I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I know my next video is most likely going to be a Minecraft video. So, if you want to do this, go ahead. I mean, pretty awesome.